kung nasaan ka man ngayon. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the son of our celebrant. Please welcome Alvin Mendoza.
I wonder if you'll ever see the way my heart calls out.
Hi, Mare. Happy birthday. Thank you for inviting us, my whole family, and thank you for including me in your candle ceremony. Tama, Mare. Tayong mga ina ay tulad ng isang kandila. Ngunit ang isang kandila ay hindi maganda kung ito'y walang isang liwanag. At kumukuha tayo ng liwanag sa ating Panginoon. Minsan, nararamdaman natin bilang isang ina ang tayo ay naguupos, di ba? Pero minsan din may mga matinding usok na ibinibigay sa atin ng kandila. Ito ay dahil upang lalo nating pagningasin ang ating pagiging isang ina, pagiging isang tanglaw. Mare, parati kong sinasabi, it doesn't matter whether you're 60, you're 70, 80. What matter is, palagi mong kasama si Aldrin, si Ian, at ang iyong mga kapatid at ang buong pamilya. At bago ko tapusin itong aking message, may inihanda akong maikling kanta para sa iyo. Okay? Ikaw ang kumpas sa iyong tahanan, ikaw ang ilaw ni Alvin at Lian. Sa bawat oras, sa bawat lakas, ikaw ang tanggulan, inaasahan. Kaya lakasan mo, laging mahalin. Happy birthday, Mare! Ako po ang tita ni Lian. Kanya pong daughter-in-law. Okay?
Thank you very much, Ma'am Janet Reyes. And please welcome Dory. Ready? DJ play. Everyone!
Happy birthday to you.
Lahat po kakanta.
Happy birthday to you.
Mas malakas!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
This time ay kasama ang sayawan! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Everyone, be ready? Tuloy po ang ating palakpakan. Itotodo natin ang sigaw pag bilang ng 1, 2, 3. Everyone ready? Tita Emma, may invite you sa inyong buong birthday cake. Ayan, pasuyo po kay Tita Emma sa kanyang birthday cake, please. Tita, dahan-dahan. So once again this time, kailangan po ng malakas na pagbati po sa ating celebrant. Please light up the candle. Tita Emma, make your wish. Kapag ready na po kayo, tingin po kayo sa akin. Tita Emma, make your wish.
Picture po.
Alright, everyone. Tita Emma, to blow your candle. In 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday, Tita Emma! Happy birthday, Tita Emma! Alright! And I guess ito na po ang pinaka-aantay natin lahat. Tayo po lahat ay kakain. Alright! And of course, ulit ang prayer po before meal. We invite, unahan po si Ed Marqueses, one of the brothers po na ating celebrant to lead the prayer before meal. Everyone, please remain standing. Once again po, we invite po sa unahan, Sir Ed Marqueses. Alright, and sir, the floor is yours.
Okay, let us put the presence of the Lord in this moment. Panginoon, maraming salamat sa mga biyaya ang handa sa aming pagkainan. Ang mga biyaya ito ay aming pinapahalagahan sapagkat sa iyong kabutihan at kapangyarihan nagbuhat ang lahat ng mga ito. Maraming salamat, Panginoon, sa patuloy ninyong pagbibigay sa amin ng mga pagkain aming kailangan upang maging malakas at malusog sa aming araw-araw na buhay. Maraming salamat din sa pagkakataon na nagkasama-sama kami ngayong oras na ito sa pagkain at naway magkaroon pa kami ng marami pang pagkakataon sa susunod pang mga araw na muling magkasama-sama upang magsaluhan ang iyong mga biyaya. Salamat, Panginoon, kasama ng ating mahal na Birheng Maria at sa pangalan ng iyong anak na si Jesus. Amen.
Thank you very much. Palakpakan po natin ang ating Panginoon. You may now take your seats, everyone. Alright, sige po, pwede na po tayo po. Welcome, Tita Emma! Oh, wait lang po. I guess yung banda po yata yung tutugtog sa ating second entrance. Oh, wait lang po, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this time, malakas na pala. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, gusto ko po marinig po ng ating celebrant ang mas malakas na palakpakan at sigawan. Parang hindi naman yata matutuwa ang ating celebrant, lalo na po ay nag-ayos pa siya ng kanyang buhok. With you now. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, marinig po ng malakas na palakpakan at sigawan. Ito na, please welcome our celebrant, Tita Emma!
Wow, parang may nakikita akong wow, parang Ebro. Parang orange.
Let's raise the pressure maybe what's pressure on the price I had to pay. Maybe the mirror of my dreams. Maybe something on my wings. You 110 with the pressure of the day. She maybe all the distance, maybe the family all the distance, maybe turn stay to heaven. Well, she may be the mirror of my dreams. It's not reflecting the stream. She may be what she sees. She always seems so happy and proud. Those eyes can be so quiet and so proud. So proud she will cry. She may be alone and go to rest. Take from shadows of the past.
And once again, ladies and gentlemen, please give her very much guys, Juvenile Bakers. Maraming salamat po sa ating banda. Thank you very much.
With her eyes, she can ruin your faith with her casual lies. And she only reveals what she wants you to see. She hides like a child, but she's always a woman to me. She can lead you to love, she can take you or leave you. She can ask for the truth, but she'll never believe. And she'll take what you give her as long as it's free. Yeah, she steals like a thief, but she's always a woman to me. Oh, she takes care of herself. She can wait if she wants. She's ahead of her time. Oh, and she never gives up. She never gives in. She just changes her mind. And she'll promise you more than the Garden of Eden. And she'll carelessly cut you and laugh while you bleed. But you'll bring out the best and the worst you can be. Blame it all on yourself, 'cause she's always a woman to me. Oh, she takes care of herself. She can't wait if she wants. She's ahead of her time. Oh, and she never gives out, and she never gives in. She just changes her mind. She's frequently kind and she's suddenly cool. But she can do as she pleases, she's nobody's fool. And she can't be convicted, she's earned her degree. And the most she will do is throw shadows at you, but she's